Crimping ain't easy. I broke the crimping tool that I got from Harbor Freight.
Oh.
Go. I need something bigger. I got all my 4-aught cables crimped. We've got the jacket here. Shrink, heat shrink. Brain's not working. Got the heat shrink on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all this 4-aught up on the board so that it's off the ground and out of the way. And then we can focus on whatever wire I decide to do next. It's a different shirt, which means it's a new day. So I started off today crimping and heat shrinking some more cables. These are all for the charge controllers right behind me, right there. You already saw I got the main cables here from the inverters ran. Temporarily it's tightened down. They are not torqued yet. And man, let me tell you something. Let me set that down. These 4-aught cables and these crimps were quite a pain. You shove the wire into the crimp, and this is welding wire, so all the strands are super small. Whereas if it was THHN, it probably would have been way easy. And I use both of my hands to hold the crimp in there and just push as hard as I can. Man, I woke up the next day, my chest was so sore. Crimping ain't easy. All the strapping is on for the big stuff. It's a little cleaner looking. The only wires really left to run across here are coming from there. The wiring from the solar array. And this is going to be, whew, I got to make this look really nice in here. I got some terminal strips to put in there. And then we'll just have 2 reds and 2 blacks come out. Check it out. That's a lot of wire. And believe it or not, I still have more to put on here. So I forgot to mention, earlier I broke the crimping tool that I got from Harbor Freight. And luckily it was on my last larger crimp, which was for this ground right here. I just bought this thing not like a week ago, and they should exchange it for me. Here, take a look. Look at this thing. right there. See that? This thing went out the door. Before I go off into town for more parts, I'm going to do some more work on the AC side. Easy as that. Look at the camera. Say good morning, guys, and welcome back to A Boulder Life.
Oh.
Go. Do you remember what to say? Okay, practice. Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
And welcome back.
And welcome back
To A Boulder Life.
to A Boulder Life.
Okay, but say it like with more enthusiasm. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
And welcome back.
And welcome back to the A Boulder Life YouTube channel.
Or you could just say A Boulder Life Off-Grid. Okay, go.
I already did it.
No, you got to say it though when I'm not talking.
I'll come back, guys.
Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Boulder YouTube channel.
You're awesome. Oh, let me tie that on your head and then you'll say it. You'll look like a ninja. Want to do that? Here. What's it start with?
Then not the good morning, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Not that one.
Not that one. It's good morning, guys. And welcome back to A Boulder Life Off-Grid. You don't have to do that face, but you can if you want. Okay.
Welcome back.
Look at this. Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back up to the Boulder Life Off-Grid.
Give me 5. You're awesome. You don't want that thing on your head? I got this all wired up. Check it out. So, real quick explanation. We got our 2 gauge coming in here to a 100 amp 2-pole breaker. Got some 20 amp circuits. Here, they're labeled too, by the way. We got outlets and light. Just a couple service outlets. We got this here, this 2-pole 30 amp for the dryer. And then we've got 20 amp for the pump. Flip it that way. And a 20 amp for the washer and freezer. But also we've got this red wire on this breaker and another black wire to this breaker that go up the side here to that. That is EMP shield. It is the surge protection or lightning protection, and supposed to be really good. So, and instructions said it was okay to share with some other circuits. So that was good. It didn't take up 2 more slots. And it said 20 amp breakers too. So we are good to go. Now I'm gonna do all the trim work down here on all the outlets. How about a quick lesson in GFIs or GFCI? Same thing, just most people leave out the C. quick lesson. So GFIs, they got all these terminals on them here, okay? You got the one with the tape around them. You got these here. This is your line, as it says, line. If you pull this tape off, it'll say load. So your line side is how most people make them up. So I got 2 Romexes that come into this box, okay? So I got 2 whites, 2 blacks. If I just wanted to use the line side, I would wire nut these together with another black coming out as a pigtail and do the same with this. And then you would land black, one white, right? And all that would do is protect just right here where this GFI is. So if this GFI pops, it'll lose power, but everything downstream that this feeds will still be live. Now, I want it to protect not only itself, but everything else downstream from it. So that's where the load side comes in, okay? So you find your home run, which is, let's just say this is our home run, and what that means is this goes back to the panel over here. Panel over here, okay? So it's coming from there, comes to here, here's the home run. I'm gonna hook these 2 up to the line side, okay? Like that. And then that means the other 2, I'll pull this tape off and they will go on the load side. So once this is all live and power, obviously you connect the ground, right? Once this is all live and powered up, if this is set, everything will be working. And let's say there's a situation where the GFI pops. What's going to happen is it'll kill power to itself, and everything downstream will be dead because it's protected by this, okay? Now, you could also put this, say there's an outlet here that this circuit hits first. It hits this outlet first and then goes to this one. If you put the GFI here, it will not protect that one because it goes to the panel first, right? But you can protect this or everything else, like I said before. So, quick lesson on GFCIs. Thank you for tuning in. Another GFI. Engage warp speed.
Very nice.
Let's go on down the line. So first we have a GFI here, just a service outlet. Batteries will be right here. I'm thinking since the shed is not insulated, I am going to build a battery box that is insulated. And if need be, I can plug in some kind of heater right here for the batteries. And that's the GFI I showed you earlier that is protecting another outlet and the light. So moving down, we got an outlet here for the freezer, dryer, and washing machine. This is a dedicated outlet. It's a GFI for our pump, which will be in the future, very soon. And of course, we got the light switch and an outlet right here. That's it. We are pretty much trimmed out. I'm just waiting on some cables in the mail to finish this stuff. And yeah, now everything I got to do is outside. I've got to drive a ground rod in. That's what I'm going to do next. And then I'm going to go and wire up all the solar panels and ground them as well. So I'll probably use a postal digger, get a good start for the ground rod right near here somewhere, and then sledgehammer it in. Right, kitty cat? Huh? Got eye goobers? You're looking good. Her eye was like swollen shut after that coyote attack. It took her a while to heal up, but she healed up pretty good. She's pretty much back to normal. we got? What do we got? Oh man. Whew. About 31 inches there. Check that out. There's a lot of caliche down there. Actually, more than half of this hole was just caliche. I mean, look at this stuff right here. Where's it at? Where's it at? Right there. Look at this. Running a whole bunch of this. This is like a cinder. Volcanic rock doohickey. There's that guy. Petting the cat. Anyway, you're supposed to put the ground rods in vertical. If you can't, there's an exception where you can put them in the ground at an angle. And this is proving to be one of those spots where you put it in at an angle. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to get this thing in vertically. And I'm going to start off with a little sledgehammer. And if that doesn't work, I'll upgrade to something bigger. Right? Yes, sir. Let's see. Where's the soft? None of that soft. Man, this thing's wiggly. I need something bigger. I got my big shovel out. I only need to go 4, maybe 5 more feet down than I already am. So we'll find out how deep this caliche goes, or we'll find out that it just keeps going. Good excuse to run the backhoe, I think. I'm being called for dinner.
It's time.
It's time. So
Getting dark.
right when I started to have fun, now I'm gonna eat dinner, and then it's gonna be too dark. And I don't want to do this in the dark because I want these guys to see it. So.
And I want you seeing very well.
Yeah.
You're a little sketchy, a little close.
Right when she walked up, I went over and went tap, just a little tap. Little tap. Zero damage. Zero.
Sure.
But you know, I gotta get close. Well,
yeah.
I guess the rod can be further out, but that's pretty good though. It'll be right on the side of the hole.
Yep.
Good morning. Time to finish what we started. So the goal is, ooh, there's the sun. The goal is we got to dig through all the caliche, not hit the shed, not hit the eave of the shed, the overhang here, and to not hit those pipes. I just barely tapped this one yesterday, so it's still good. I gotta be careful. I'm gonna get in there just to back up, please. That's too close for you.
Are you going to go all the way in there?
Yeah, it's gonna be sketchy. Whoa, I'm falling. Oh boy. Okay.
You made a slide.
Yep, landslide. Okay. So there's Eli. Don't do that. You're gonna get dirt in my eyes. Just an idea of how deep it is. I am 7'3". I mean 6'3", and it's over my head. Look at all this. I mean, this is all, so from up here to here, that's about 2 foot.
Yeah.
And then
In there.
all Caliche all the way down. Nice, serious layer of rock right here. Just these cinders, this lava rock. That is crazy.
How big is
That's
that?
so cool. Want to climb in there?
Not really. I'll be stuck down there.
I will help you. I'll use the backhoe.
And scoop me out.
Or you can grab onto it. And...
No.
Okay. Everyone is wondering though, can Natalie get in the hole and then get it back out?
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know that they're wondering that. Are you guys wondering that?
Can the Natalie do it?
Oh.
Oh, you're caving in my hole.
I know, right? Good thing
That's
you
okay. I
your
already got the rod in. All right.
There I am.
You're way down there. Okay. And ground level is somewhere down here.
In case you wanted to know, I'm 6'5".
Yeah, and I'm 7'5".
It's true.
Are you sitting down?
No, I'm not sitting down.
Are you standing up?
Here's my tiptoes.
Oh, okay. Yep. Nice.
Nice and cool down here.
It is. Now you have to climb out.
I don't know what. We got kind of some steps going on here, so
Yeah.
that's not too bad. Ooh, ooh.
Can she do it? Do you need help?
I got it.
Oh man.
Look at that. Easy peasy.
Yeah. Lava rock.
Let's see it.
It's really light. Here, catch.
We're grounded.
Oh, no, I gotta connect it in the panel.
Oh. Never mind.
Nice try.
Now we're grounded.